Hi guys, we've got another interesting car in the workshop today. It's a March 1982 Formula 2000. Owner David Stone, he bought this car a few years ago. We've done a restoration job on it. I'll just show you through the finer details. So one of the interesting parts of this car is the engine. It runs a Ford 2-litre Pinto engine, very popular in the UK, in the Escorts and Cortinas, not so much in Australia, but yeah, very big in England and Europe. Horsepower wise, probably got around about 200 horsepower. Still a fairly standard engine, that's just all been fully rebuilt. It runs a Hewland Mark 9 gearbox, free to change the gear ratios depending on the tracks that we run at. Normally has a rear engine cover over here, which makes it a lot more aerodynamic and gives you a bit of downforce at the back. We've done a new exhaust system on here. We've put a new firewall on the back. We've had to rivet a new floor and go through all the pedal box. So basically it's a bottom-up restoration work that we've done on this car. These are the wet tyres that are on the car. Obviously they're only used in the wet. Drive racing, we use our slick tyre. Generally it's an Avon tyre for this category. As you can see guys, it's got the two discs. These are both inbound mounted. This was fairly common in that period of time. Later model cars, just the same with the Formula 4s, used to have this arrangement. Now the later cars actually have the discs inside the wheel themselves. These F2000 cars were an evolution of Formula Ford. Basically March back in the late 70s, early 80s used to make a lot of Formula Fords. They transitioned into the sports car side of things in the early 80s, made quite a lot of these cars very competitive. It's a step up from Formula Ford, slick tyres, bit of downforce, a little bit more horsepower, great car to drive.